Hello guys and welcome back to our channel. Today I'll be showing you how to delete Instagram account permanently. So in order to do this, first of all, open your Instagram application on your mobile phone, then log into your account using your user credentials. Now, after logging into your account using your user credentials, you'll be on this page. Now, you'll have to make sure you click on your profile icon at the bottom right side of the screen to come to this page. Here, click on the three-lined icon at the top right of the screen. When you click on the three-lined icon at the top, you'll be in Settings and Activity. Here, you're going to click on Account Center button at the top. When you click on this button, it will open up this page. Here, you'll have to just scroll down and click on Personal Details button. Now, choose Account Ownership and Control at the bottom. On this page, choose Deactivation or Deletion. Now, choose the account that you want to deactivate or delete. Now, this will open up this page. Here, you can choose whether you want to deactivate your account or delete your account. So if you deactivate your account, that will be a temporary deletion of your account. That will mean that your profile will be hidden on Instagram until you reactivate it through Account Center. Or if you simply want to delete your Instagram account permanently, choose the second option, that is delete account. Then click on continue. Now choose deleting your Instagram account. Now on this page, you'll have to choose why are you deleting your Instagram account. You can choose any one of these options, it doesn't matter. Just choose any of the options, scroll down and click on continue. Now choose continue again. Now this will take you to a page where you have to just re-enter your password in order to delete your account. So simply enter your password, and when you click on continue after entering your password, it will instantly delete your Instagram account permanently. So that is a simple way to delete Instagram account permanently in 2025. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and thanks for watching.